I give back by being a climate storyteller.
I'm helping the Victoria Transit Riders Union fight for fair, free, and excellent transit for all.
I'm working hard every day to help the West Coast Climate Action Network reach more people, reach more MLAs, and help change the world. Thank you.
I give back by volunteering my time to hold those in power accountable for solving the climate crisis.
At Farm Folk City Folk, we give back to the planet by helping growers to protect soil and biodiversity and connecting people with local sustainable food.
Making sure we have a livable planet by pushing back on line 3 of the TMX, pushing back against the waste to energy facility, and so many more green initiatives